All right, what else does this thing say? It says tricolor warning light. So it's got multiple colors? 3 colors apparently. Well, how do I turn that on? Noise canceling microphone, barometric pressure sensor so it can tell you your elevation. NFC at the bottom. It has waterproof test holes at the bottom. Private testing is prohibited to avoid damage. Don't push water into the water test holes. Oh, this little triangle, it says in the manual. This little triangle is your SIM card tray pry tool. So instead of the regular little like safety pin poker thing, they gave you a little pick to pry out the SIM tray. I like that because if you don't have the little safety clip, safety pin, paper clip, whatever tool that most phones take, if you don't have that, you can't get the tray out at all. But this one, you can still get it out if you have good nails. Apparently my index finger, the nail isn't strong enough to get it out, but my thumb will open it up. All right, there's no instructions, so I'm kind of figuring this out as I go. Let's type in, let's go to settings here, take a look at the settings, see what we got. We got my device, Android 14. You know, this is a phone is not supposed to come out for a couple of weeks still, so it should have Android 15, or maybe on release day they'll upgrade to Android 15. It has an up to 12 gigabytes of memory extension, so you can have 24 gigabytes of acting RAM, which is crazy. It has a Dimensity 730, which is pretty good. That's about equivalent to the Snapdragon 6 series, so that would be a slightly better processor than what the G84 has, the 695, which is a really good processor. I've been using this as my daily phone for over a year now, and it is fast, powerful, moves quickly. So we'll have to do a spec test, but projector settings. Screen orientation can automatically adjust. Keystone can automatically adjust. You can make the output horizontal or vertical. Oh, and you can adjust the focus from the settings.